I mean, dude, let's talk about this year.
It's been a big one, a massive one for both Henry and I, but more importantly, it's been a huge one for vegan food in general.
Before we talk about that, this is Bosh TV. We make amazing videos, mainly recipes, almost every day. So hit subscribe and be in touch.
And if you've had a huge 2018, let us know why in the comments.
So, vegan food 2018. Everyone's on board now. Whether you're a supermarket or a high street restaurant chain or just a millennial, you're down with vegan food now.
Big year for vegan food. Another indicator of that has been our book, the Bosh book, which went straight to the best-selling charts at #1.
Look at it here, dude.
Boom.
You proud?
Very.
Feeling very good about what's happened with Bosh in the last year. Let's do a quick recap. Morning guys, and welcome to the Bosh Boys vlog, where we're coming at you from Italy. People, I'm Henry.
And I'm Ian.
And we are Bosh, and this is Bosh Fest. This is Wisteria Lane,
Universal Studios.
Welcome to Bosh TV. Winter last year, we finished writing the book. Shortly after that, we went and did a little tour in America. We went to New York, we went to LA, tried loads of tasty food. Then it was Veganuary, where we hyped our book on the UK television channels, radio channels, and basically anywhere we could talk about vegan food.
Winter absolutely flew by into spring, which was a phenomenally fantastic season for us as well, because we launched our book #1, at Bosh Fest. Whilst the book was doing its thing, so were our videos. We carried on churning out content like there was no tomorrow, and we hit 1 billion views on all social media channels, which is quite phenomenal.
So hyped about that. But tonight, we are going to the Specsavers National Book Awards, where we're up for Best Book, alongside the likes of Yotam Ottolenghi, Jack Monroe, and Jamie Oliver.
Yeah, mate. Big. But do you know one thing that we don't have?
What?
We've got lots and lots of black t-shirts, but we have no smart clothes whatsoever.
We're going to the ball, we've got nothing to wear. So we've come to Westfield to eat a little bit of vegan tofu and then go hunting for vegan garms.
Let's do this.
So the problem with shopping for clothes like this is we've worn nothing but exactly the same clothes for the last 3 years. So now we've got to like rock the boat and go cocktail dress. Don't know what to wear. What do you reckon? Is that cocktail dress?
I reckon that'll do the job.
I reckon that'll do. God. Oh, I shall go to the ball like this, thank you. Oh. The Uber right now is there. If you look over there, that's where the Uber is. He's on the street, but for some reason we're like locked in this shopping centre, so we've got to go all the way up here to go all the way back. Oh, and by the way, our talk is in an hour and a half on the other side of London, and we've got to go home first. It's looking a bit tight right now. What a nightmare. We just saw the guy drive away. Gutted. We've not got long, dude. Hello! This is Bosh Towers. In fact, a year ago we moved into Bosh Towers, so a lot has happened in a year. And this is the team. Hey guys!
Hello! Hi!
That's Claire over there. Say hi, Claire.
Hi!
Claire's just concocted this incredible green smoothie.
And it is incredible.
It's good.
Yeah, really thick and lovely.
Which we're testing for Bish Bash Bosh. New book available very soon. Here's Kathy.
Hello.
Working on, she's the mastermind behind all of the Bosh videos, all of the beautiful food shots, and all of that goodness. And Elsa.
Hi. How's it going?
Elsa basically keeps us all in check and is today making sure we leave on time, which is going to be a challenge. When do we need to leave?
I think like
Now.
yeah.
Good luck.
Bye bye. You gonna make it?
I don't quite know. I think, yeah, basically we are cutting this extremely fine. Like the finest we've ever cut anything.
We've got about 7 minutes to wait here for a train, and we're talking on stage in 20.
21 minutes.
But luckily someone is gonna come and meet us at the door, and I think we'll probably run in and go straight on stage.
Yeah, it's going to be touch and go whether or not we get there for the kickoff, but you know what? Substitutes, golden goals, all works out, doesn't it?
Does it?
Yeah.
Is that a football reference?
It'll be fine.
I have no idea what you just said. We've literally just made it. 5 minutes to go.
It's so fun.
And we're here.
It's not 5 minutes.
We made it just in time.
Whew. We've just sat on a panel and chatted to about 150, 200 people?
200 I counted.
Yeah.
200 people. We chatted about sustainable food, how a vegan diet can absolutely be sustainable, and the other panelists was Claire Pettinger
And Jack Monroe.
Dude, well done. I'm feeling the pain after that.
Yeah.
That was like pretty stressy. I reckon we should go get a beer.
I think that's a very good idea.
Let's find a pub and some vegan food.
The amber nectar.
Oh, that's good.
Lovely.
We've earned that. Yeah! Yes! Beyond Burger. We've come to sample the Beyond Burger.
Honest burger.
Look at that.
Cheers, mate.
It's just arrived in the UK.
It's so meaty, man. Oh my god.
I just got a text from MJ. I just got a text from MJ.
What's she saying?
She's round the corner coming to meet us. Oh, hello! Just a gentle reminder, people. We are Bosh. We make videos with amazing plant-based recipes almost every day.
And if you have anything to say about the videos that we make, please do tell us in the comment section below, because we read every single one of them.
Meanwhile, we've had an amazing day, we've had an amazing year, which you already know about, but now we're going to go to the National Book Awards and see if we've won Best Book.
Fingers crossed.
Whoa, well, that was a night.
It certainly was. Free champagne is dangerous.
I've got a bit of a sore head. Not sure we can show you everything that happened last night, but here's a few snaps.
Now, as you can see, our hands are empty because we didn't win the award, unfortunately. That accolade went to the man, Yotam Ottolenghi.
But we love that guy, and we were honoured to be mentioned alongside him, Jamie Oliver, Prue Leith, Jack Monroe, and Nadia. So we want to say thank you to all of you who bought the Bosh cookbook, who watched our videos or commented on them. Thank you.
It really has been a fantastic year for us, and we've got our fingers crossed for 2019 as well.
But now we want to know what's going to happen for you. Write in the comments below. What are you going to do in the next year?
Okay, well, I think this is probably drawing this vlog to a nice close.
Been good fun though,
Yeah.
hasn't it? So there you have it. This is Bosh. We make delicious plant-based videos almost every day. So hit subscribe.
Yeah, and if you have big plans for 2019, do tell us about them below in the comment section.
And that's it. Just time for
Bish.
Bash Bosh!